Hey you guys, what is up? TYCO here, and today I got another Skrillex tutorial. This is by far my most popular tutorial, so I decided to make another one for you guys. Check it out. I'm going. So that's just me jamming on the keyboard, you know. It is what it is. I use it in my new song, Odo Island also, which sounds like this. So that song's for free. I'll have the download in the description. And let's get started. The default wavetable position is fine. Let's route everything to filter 1 just to get the full sound. Amp all the way up, intensity all the way up, and we're gonna bring the pitch down an octave, 12. And then we're gonna go to our envelope filter, and we're gonna make the pitch kind of rise, so when the note is hit, it dives down. Let's take this up to like 30. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna get a calm filter up on here, and we're gonna do the same thing to the pitch. So it's automating a lot of feedback right when you hit that note. Oh yeah. So now we're gonna want some classic tube. Get it a little distorted. Some chorus. Just a normal chorus. Let everything like halfway, a quarter of the way. And EQ, let's boost the high shelf and just a tad of the low shelf. And let's edit the attack a little bit. Something's not right. Let me turn up the level a little bit. And that is all in the bass sound. Now all you guys need to do is add a little reverb and you're set. I don't know, I've never used this before. I normally reverb everything in Reason. Just a little bit of reverb. And then just listen to the song, you guys. If you are trying to copy it exactly, then do the final little tweaks. But if you're happy with this siren, that's how you make the kind of trap whoppy whop you're hearing all the time now. So yeah, my song I played earlier is for free. Download in the description and tell me what you guys want to learn next. Thanks.